Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix battery percentage not showing in iPhone. So as you can see currently battery percentage is not showing on my iPhone, and here's how to fix it. Go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down here and tap on battery. Tap on. So here you'll find this battery percentage option. So all you have to do is just enable battery percentage, and that's how we can easily fix this error. And note one thing, that if your iPhone exceed 10 user, then these battery percentage option may be not available on your iPhone. In this case, you won't be able to enable this battery percentage on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.